Welcome back to another episode of Taste Good TV. It's your boy 00 Savage, and what your boy got today is little Subway Sidekicks. Let me show y'all what we got over here. Subway's came out with a little new Sidekick snacks and stuff like that. So right here we got the Footlong Churro, a little collaboration they did with Cinnabons. Let's give this a shot. Let's see what they're looking like. Okay. Now let's see what it tasting like. I mean, it tastes like microwave churros. I only drove like 2 minutes to find parking, so I really can't blame it on the drive, but let's try one more bite. Save your money. All right, so the next one is the Footlong Pretzel, the collaboration with Auntie Anne's? Yeah. So let me see here. So it came with some new revised honey mustard sauce that Subway's came out with. We're gonna see what that tasting like. So here's the Footlong Pretzel. Let's try it first without the honey mustard. God damn. I'm gonna have some butt-ass jaws after this shit. Pause. Nah. Let's see if this helps. The honey mustard is good. It definitely helps. If you buying the pretzel or the churro, eat that shit ASAP because it gets hard hella quick. Fucking salt flying hitting my mirror and everything. Yeah, I'm kind of good off this one too. This is doo-doo. So the churros was Hershey squirts. This one was doo-doo. So last but not least, y'all. We got the Footlong cookie. This is Subway's thing. No collaboration, just a Footlong cookie. Let's see what this looking like. Put a little fork in there for us. Look at this mug. Big ass Footlong cookie. Let's see what it tasting like though. Your boy broke open the chunk. Look at this chunk. See it? Let's see what it tastes like. It's thick. More like a brownie texture. You definitely need milk or something with this. It's hella dense. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. If y'all do mess with this, probably buy this, break it at half, put some ice cream on top, have an Alamo out of it, then it might help. But by itself alone, it's a little dense, thick. Hella greasy too, look. Yeah, I think I'm done with this, y'all. It's gonna be a quick ass review. I had to try it though. Let me know if y'all have tried it. And if you tried it, which one you all liked and which one y'all didn't like. So far, Churros was boo-boo. That's something you could buy from the frozen section. The Auntie Anne's pretzel one, hard as hell. That was doo-doo to the second power. And I mean, this cookie thing ain't that bad. It ain't the worst, you know what I mean? So look, it ain't the worst. It's pretty heavy. I mean, you could definitely feed probably a whole family with this. Just cut them up and stuff like that. Throwing on some ice cream, you good, but definitely alone, nah. You gonna need milk. All right, y'all. I'm about to put all this shit away. Go home and throw this shit away. I'll talk to y'all next time, all right? Deuces.